In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog categories in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to create separate blog categories and assign your posts to them, so your store's content is easier for customers to browse and for you to manage. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Content. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, more options will appear underneath. From those options, select Blog Posts. This is where all of your existing blog posts live, and it's also where we'll begin organizing them into categories. At the top right area of the Blog Posts page, you'll see a button that says Manage Blogs. This section controls the different blog categories for your store. Click Manage Blogs to open the list of all existing blogs you currently have set up. On this page, look again towards the top right and find the Add Blog button. Click that to create a new blog category. Think of each blog you add here as a separate category or section for your content. For example, you might enter a title like Tips, News, or Tutorials, depending on how you want to group your posts. Type your chosen title into the blog title field. On the left side of this page, you'll see the options for comments. Here, you can choose how you want to handle comments on posts in this specific blog. You can disable comments entirely if you don't want any interaction. Allow comments with pending moderation so you can approve them before they appear, or allow comments automatically. Pick the option that matches how hands-on you want to be with comment management. Once you've set the title and chosen the comment setting, make sure to save your new blog. You can click Save at the top of the page near the search bar, or scroll down and click Save at the bottom right. Your new blog category is now created. Next, let's assign a blog post to this new category. Go back to the left-hand menu and click Blog Posts again. You'll see your full list of posts. Choose the post you want to categorize and click its title to open it. On the Posts Edit page, scroll down until you see a section on the left sidebar labeled Organization. Within that section, there's a drop-down menu called Blog. Click the drop-down, then select the new blog category you just created. This tells Shopify which category this post belongs to. Finally, remember to save your changes, either using the Save button at the top near the search bar or at the bottom of the page. That's all you need to do to add blog categories in Shopify and assign posts to them.